Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our video presentation. So today we are going to talk about our final presentation of product, which is Eco Reverse Blending Machine, or we call Eco RVM. So this is our subject for creative and innovation. This is our presentation of our product. So this is our group member. First, this is me. My name is Muhammad Syamil Azlan. Second is Muhammad Arifin Muhammad Jafar. Third, Siti Nur Fitria bin Sa'idin. And the last one is Nur Elisa Anis binti Azli. So what our content of presentation today is about. Number one is innovation of strategy plan. So this include the introduction, business planning, flowchart, demonstration of product and benefits of the products. And the second one is the part 2, we will present about the entrepreneurship opportunity for our product that we will show to you about the market analysis, the introduction of the product using the business strategy, and the cost budget on developing Eco RVM. Firstly, what actually Eco RVM? Okay, Eco RVM is the vending machine that we recycle paper, aluminium and plastic bottle and food waste. There are many type of Eco RVM that already exist in this world, but in our machine we just focus for item paper, aluminium, plastic bottle and food waste. So when we have these 4 items, this material can be exchanged as a reward. So our vending machine have a high performance technology because now it's modern. So compared to old school, they just buy with manual. So they come buy or someone will bring all the item to the place that sell. Okay. So in our technology, our machine, you just insert all the item inside. So this is we can get money by using this machine. They will insert all the item inside. So we normally we know about our machine in our place. For example, as vending machine. Okay, vending machine, they have candy machine, sometimes for drink, sometimes for food, but it's same like this, but this is a recycle, and you just put all the recycle item, you can get value, money or point like that. So this is our vending machine, what we call it Eco RVM. They have so many features. So my friends will present to this after this. Okay, other than that, our vending machine, they have software, data analytic. If you put all the material, for example plastic bottle inside the machine, they will detect how many kilo, how many gram, so how many size. So you cannot cheat. If you cheat, they will realize. Okay, because this use a software. Okay, so what is actually our aim is this is for save our environment. As we know now, so many friends or people, they will throw the rubbish, in the terminal, in the public. So instead of doing that, we make this machine so they can get more value money. Okay, so next is about resource planning. So with resource planning, this is our job scope of every of us. Firstly, the CEO, Siti Nur Fitria as a CEO, so he will explain about the business strategy, how can we do this business, okay, the target audience and so on. And next is Muhammad Syamil Azlan. So my job scope is I design the the sketch, I redraw and I make in the poster, and as sales manager, and I estimate the profit. Okay, this is my job scope. And the third one is Nur Alisan, is a designer, is the first person who sketch the machine, and I just redraw it. And he also as a researcher officer, so he's manage the cost and all the developing product based on the unit. Okay, and the last one is Muhammad Arifin Jafar, is the marketing officer, so he research how to promote product to the people, especially in Malaysia and the outside from Malaysia. So this is our flowchart. What we actually do for this project, we start the first week until now week 11. We just start, we understand the project, we divide our tasks, and we have meeting in Google Meet, and we design the product, and we choose the market analysis, the better find the additional research, and until we complete the report and we check to our lecturer to make sure it's approved or not. So finally we make this presentation for this video, this project.
My name is Muhammad Arifin bin Muhammad Jafar, and we will proceed about market analysis and business strategies. So, what is market analysis? A market analysis is a thorough assessment of a market within a specific industry. With this analysis, you will study the dynamic of your market, such as a volume and value, potential customer segment, buying pattern, competition, and other important factors. There are 4 components of type market research, include survey, interviews, focus group, and customer observations. As we know, market analysis is a diagnostic process to uncover the root causes, and this is not the symptom of why markets underperform for poor people. A thorough market analysis will help you understand how the market operates and how it affects the poor. So next. So for the survey, we take the pool of 1,200 people in 6 states. The data collected and the data shown that the most common item to recycle is old beverage container, such as Tupperware and so on, which is shown 17%, followed by plastics 16%, followed by cardboard 15%, glass 50%, and finally paper 50%. According to 89.5% of respondents compared to 73.2% who believe all items collected by curbside recycle are recycled. From 2020 to 2022 is expected to full demand of garbage collection and disposal reverse vending machine. The market is classified into 3 categories based on product type. The first one is not refillable, second is refillable, third is multi-purpose. In 2022, non-refillable sector produced the most revenue. In 2022, the market was classified into 4 segments based on capacity. The first one is fewer than 200 scans, second is 200 until 300 scans, third is 300 to 600 scans, and the last one is more than 600 scans. The global revenue machine market is being propelled ahead by a government initiative to suppress reverse vending machine, such as for airports, metro stations, and railway stations, in order to enhance waste management practice. So the target market and user of reverse vending machine. A target market is a group of customers with shared demographic who have been identified as the most likely buyers of a company products or service. Identifying the target market is important for any company in the development and implementation of a successful marketing plan. For our reverse vending machine products, which is useful for all age, the program or software will be easy to handle. Even the parents can also train their children to recycle. There is no limitation of our product, and it is suitable for all age, gender, education level, occupation and family situation, such as office worker, which is they like to use paper and works. Second is teenagers. Third is athletes that use many of bottles and plastics. The fourth one is foreigner. 5 is tourists, and the last one is community. So, who will buy our products, or who will buy your products? In this segment, the buyer will be targeted a big company or government through the need of these products to achieve global needs, which is we know that the campaign of Go Green and Save Our Nature. This product is fits to company and global market to achieve their goal or this goal. So, yeah, example of company in Malaysia such as ASMA, Alam Sekitar Malaysia Sdn Bhd, and Jabatan Alam Sekitar Malaysia. Next is railway station such as in Malaysia Kereta Api Tanah Melayu KTMB. In tourism center Pulau Pangkor Resort Suria KLCC. In the sports center, we know a stadium is a lot of people and sports complex. So the last one is food and beverage. As we know, food and beverage is locally sold in supermarket and shopping center and lot in restaurants and food stalls. So we will proceed to next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nofitra binti Saidi, and I would like to talk about a limitation of product for our RVM machine, which is it can only be used in a location with an electrical supply, and it has a specific amount of waste disposal capacity and receives token as a reward. But it can only recycle paper, tea, plastic bottle and compost waste as a fertilizer. RVM requires frequent maintenance to keep it working smoothly. And the last one, without garbage categorization, the system will not function effectively. As we continue with our business strategy, which is we use the SWOT business strategy, which is S stand for strength, W stand for weakness, O for opportunity, and T for the threat. For the strength, this newly created reverse vending machine can assist humanity in recycling recyclable items and saving the world from global warming. People can also benefit from recycling their item by receiving prizes for putting their goods into this RVM machine. This useful equipment is ideal for placing in public spaces so that people can use it whenever they wish. When we designed this machine, we wanted people to have a good time while recycling and to be genuinely joyful while doing something good for the environment. In the meanwhile, for the W is this device can only be used in a location where there is an adequate electricity supply. Tin, plastic bottles, paper and food waste will all be recycled. To guarantee that the product functions very well, this machine should be categorized according to the type of waste. Prelim maintenance should be performed to ensure that debris does not become lodged in certain components of the machine and causing harm to this machine. For the opportunity, the best location for this recycling business is in densely populated regions such as popular recreational places, residential neighborhood, supermarket, and the retail malls. When putting RVM at the same time, a higher profit can be made and profits can be obtained faster than the playing game. Selangor, Sabah, Johor, Sarawak and Perak have been chosen to undertake this recycling industry. During the pre-launch of the product, up to 30 units will be given according to the higher population of inhabitants to test the market and see whether it can provide a satisfactory return. Finally, one of the potential risks we must consider when working on this project is the future maintenance. Charge for all the machine is critical to preserve the machine's operation, yet doing so will prohibitively expensive. If individuals do not use this machine to recycle on a regular basis, it will simply cost us the maintenance price. But if users use the machine to recycle on a regular basis, the maintenance money is well worth it. We must also make certain that the machine is not vandalized. Vandalism may take a variety of forms, such as sketching pictures on machinery and damaging them. The cost of maintaining it will only climb in order to keep it operational.
So next, we'll proceed to the product functions. Why we must use a reverse vending machine? Reverse vending machine is benefit the environment, end user, and the site collecting bottle and can for recycling. The first is better for the environment. Reverse vending machine is separate beverage container by material type, such as a PET, glass, aluminium container, and plastics. Next is reverse vending machine can ensure clean, quality material that can be used again and again to make a new container. The third one is reduce need for raw material in making more container and need for landfills. Last is keep litter and waste out from groundwater, ocean, and streets. Next is convenient for end user. Reverse vending machines are often located at grocery retail store, at stations, at airports, and it's making it convenient to return container for recycling. Reverse vending machines are fast and clean, so recycling is more enjoyable. Reverse vending machine offer a personally reward program at reverse vending machines, where consumer can earn points for the container they recycle to redeem for reward or donate to charity. Fourth is get recyclers engaged in shaping a better environment. So for the business, it's efficient because it can make recycling collection cleaner and streamlined. Second is reduce time and mess of staff manually handling and counting containers. Third one is let staff focus on other tasks or their tasks. Next is ensure recycling station take up less physical space on sites. Reverse vending machine can give more storage capacity with compaction and reduce transport needs for container. And last is reverse vending machine are easy for operators to handle, clean and maintain. So that's all from product functions. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Elza Anis Kanti Azli and I would like to present about the cost, budget and profit for our Eco RVM machine. First of all, I would like to explain about the cost and the profit to our product. Okay, the cost is given based on the overall machine manufacturing costs, which are not included the management of the product. And the profit we counted based on the management of the product per year minus the cost of machine manufacture. And now we move on to the cost or budget on developing Eco RVM. This is the table of our budget. Okay. First of all, our budget for one machine is 52,584 ringgit, which we targeted 5 different states, which is Sabah, Sarawak, Johor, Selangor, and also Perak. These 5 different states have larger population in Malaysia. So the total budget is 262,920 ringgit. So to promote this product, we used the internet, which is the application of Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, and also blog, which is free. And as I mentioned earlier, per unit cost is 52,584 ringgit. And the timing for this product to be processing is 24 hours per 7 days per week. Then we move on to the CRM software, which is the software that connected to the customers and company. The range of CRM software is about 52 ringgit and 60 cent to 1,314 ringgit and 90 cent. And then the development time is our product is operated in 24 hours per day, 7 days a week, and each product consuming about 2,500 to 4,400 kilowatt hour per year. And this is the labor cost, commercial maintenance, commercial insurance, rental, project management software. Okay, for the project management software, we updated our software for every 6 months per year. And then the last one is the average maintenance cost per year. We counted based on the CRM software, labor cost, machine maintenance, commercial insurance, rental, project management software. And the total cost, which is the minimum cost we got, is about 16,940 ringgit to the maximum cost is 21,774 ringgit and 92 cent. So the profit is the budget minus the average maintenance cost per year times 5. And the minimum profit we got in 1 year is 178,220 ringgit per year. Okay, then we will move on to the price per point for users and customers. This is based on the latest market research. So we have 3 different materials, which are paper, plastic bottles, and tin. For paper, it will cost 20 point per 100 gram, which means for 1 kilogram it will cost 20 cents. For plastic bottle, the point for plastic bottle is 50 point, and the tin is 65 point, which means for 100 point the price will be 10 cents, and for 1000 point the price will be 1 ringgit. And then this is the last part of our presentation, which is the conclusion. The Eco RVM was designed to produce a healthy country, which we use the theme of recycle to produce our product. And that is why we are targeting on huge aspect, which is the location, the customers, and the people who use this product. This product gives a huge profit not just for our company, but our customers and users too. This product has a high potential because it can give the profit not just for the human, but for the environment too. So for this project, we hope that it can be marketed all over the world, as it can give many benefits, especially to our environment. And that is all from us. Thank you.